Today we're going to show you the very basics of sailing a small yacht like Kittiwake. We're going to be at 90 degrees to the wind, so it'll probably be what's called a beam reach most of the way, where the wind is coming in directly from the side. So we'll use both the main and the genoa, so that's the sail at the back of the boat and the sail at the front of the boat. Our boat is mainly driven by the genoa, so we pay more attention to that really. But yeah, we'll be using both those sails today. We won't be using the smaller staysail that goes on the inner forestay, and I doubt we'll be using the cruising chute. So our process for getting underway is to uncover the mainsail because it has a cover over it to protect it from the sun, and then we'll turn on the engine, and then we'll pick up the anchor. So to start off with, until we clear the headland that's kind of between us and where we're going, we're going to have to go into the wind a bit. The main will probably be okay to put up now, but the genoa, it'll be a bit too close to the wind to put the genoa out, so we'll have to wait until we turn to starboard a bit before we unfurl the genoa, but we can put the main up now. So the first part of putting the main up is to loosen off the main sheet. This is this system here which controls how the main is against the wind. So we're just going to slacken that off so it's nice and loose for when we hoist it up. So there, this is the main halyard. So this is the rope or line which pulls the main sail up to the top. So if we put on this, then the main should just come up, go right up to the top of the mast. So now the mainsail is up, we can tighten up the main sheet, and then that will make the sail go nice and quiet, and then that should be giving us some drive. So we've just turned and we can see our destination now, and hopefully we should be able to make use of the wind. Unlike the main, which we hoisted up to the top of the mast, the genoa is wrapped around itself on what's called a furler. So to pull it out, basically what we'll do is we'll untie the furling line, and then we'll pull in the sheet for the genoa, and then that should pull it out, and then it'll be ready to use. So we're just coming into our anchorage for the night and the wind is dropping a bit. So we're going to furl away the genoa and drop the main. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick up some really good sailing gear, then check out the Wetsuit Outlet's Black Friday sale. It's viewable in the link below.